Hey guys, for those of you that have been following along on my channel for some time now, you know that I've moved into the shop. I have a living area inside the shop, and for the last 5 years I have not had a washer and dryer, and make trips every week to the laundromat to wash clothes and so forth, and finally decided to do a little more fixing up on the bathroom slash laundry room, and purchased this on Facebook Marketplace for I think it was $4.75 is what I paid. And I don't have a lot of space, and I don't need to wash a lot of clothes, so this thing was going to be perfect for what I needed. And so I thought, hey, it's just kind of too new looking for the rest of the bathroom slash laundry room, so why not put a cool patina paint job on it? And you're seeing some of that here. This little sign is something I copied, an example of something I found online, an older vintage looking sign, and you can see the forklift driving chick here helping me out, do a little sanding for me. And so anyway, I've captured all of the details of how to do this in a video series I've got for sale on my website. It's about an hour of content walking you through all the steps, all the products, all the details of how to get this cool look. So here's a look at it finished up, and then a look at it actually, some details of, some of the techniques that are used, like, the rust technique, some of the sand throughs. I also do a dry brush technique, and so show that in detail in the video. And here's a look at it inside the bathroom slash laundry room. So anyway, guys, been busy traveling a lot. I'm going to do a shop update here in the next couple of days and just kind of show and maybe talk just in detail more about what's going on and some future plans coming up. And yeah, so just thought I'd share this one for you guys here. And check out the website if you're interested in the video series on how to do this. It's $19. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.